Hey Sammy friends, welcome to day 7 of our 14 Days of Love with Rachael Coon. Today we'll be making a really cute peekaboo package that we can put candy or whatever we want inside. Go and hold my flip and we'll get started. Okay, we'll get adjusted real quick. Slide everything better into view. So grab your day 7 kit. It is super cute and easy. Today we're using the Peekaboo Treat Holder. And we're using, well, the conversation hearts is what I have inside of mine. But you can put whatever you want in it. We will be needing to stamp with our large colored in heart here, our small little heart, and also our pick a saying, either for you, I love you, or with love. I'm using the I love you. We are using 3 different ink colors, our mint macaron, our petal pink, and our sweet sorbet. So have all those ready and handy for you. Let's go ahead and move this out and we'll get this scooted over. So this Peekaboo Treats have a both craft or basic white. I'm using the basic white, so you might have one or the other in your kit. I'll show you what they both look like. I did use the tailor-made tags to make our cute little tag here with the basic white. And then you should have also your little hearts. 2 big and 1 small. Let me get the last one out. There we go. Okay, I'm going to grab my foam mat in real quick. And then we can get stamping with it. Put that underneath. Grab our sweet sorbet. Open that up. Grab the I love you. And we're just going to put that on the very bottom. Ink that up. And stamp it at an angle. There we go. Super cute. Okay, keep that sweet sorbet out. Grab your heart. Remember, top left is the higher one. Right has the curve. And when you hold your stamp over it, you can totally see. Like if I go like that, I'm like, oh yeah, that matches. Let me see what it looks like on the other side if I ever do it. You'll see that it won't line up. So it's pretty easy to tell which direction. All right, let's go ahead and ink up just that heart by going on the edge of your ink pad. That looks pretty good. Go and line it up over our heart and press down. Detach it, looks great. Then we need to clean it off because we're going to use another color of the same ink pad. I just like to use a reusable. Stampin' Up! Does sell a chamois, that's what it's called. It's purple. I have one of those as well. I usually use those on a more classroom setting versus individual setting. And I do like to cut it up though before I use that one instead of the full size. All right, mint macaroon. Go ahead and grab that. Ink up again just on the edge of this guy. Hover over our basic white. And press down. Cute, 2 hearts. Again, I'm going to just do a quick clean, make sure we're good. Put that color away, grab our little heart. And this one's the opposite. So now it's going to be the right will be the bigger side, the left will have the curve. We're grabbing our petal pink. Again, just using the edge for the stamping here. And line it up over that heart and press down. Cute. Okay, that's it for our stamping. Now we can assemble. Let's grab our Peekaboo sheet. You should have 2 pieces of DSP, one in the gingham and one in the country floral lane. You could flip it over if you want to have a different look. So this one would totally look cute with that blue and red. It's up to you. I don't think it looks nice with those two. Well, maybe you can get away. Make it a little bit more mint looking and blue. Or we could do this one with the red. So different combo packs. In fact, I think I might, should I switch it and have it that way? What do we think? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go red. That sweet sorbet. All right, keep it flat. Don't fill it yet. We want to have a flat surface to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead, add just a little bit of liquid glue to the bottom. All these measurements will be in your tutorials that you can look at and refer to. Just cover it up all the way to the bottom here. And it's okay if you go over just a little bit of the peekaboo. All right, flip this one over. For this one, you want to make sure that you're below the ceiling side. So you kind of see a little line there. Use that as your guide because we don't want to be moving that piece a whole lot because that's going to be opening and closing. All right, looking cute, looking cute. Let's go ahead and attach these to our tag. This one, I just use a little bit of liquid glue. We're going to start it at the top at an angle, a little bit below that circle here. And then this one we're going to use dimensionals for. So flip that one over and put the one in each corner and one in the bottom. So for that one, there we go. Okay, go ahead and go at a different angle and kind of have that coming off to the side there. Lastly, add a dimensional to the back of our petal pink heart, but I only want it on the top back of the right. So I'm going to hold that spot so I know where to go, flip it, put it there, and then attach it. Cute. Grab a sequin. I used the gold one last time, the gold small one. It's up to you which one you want to use on yours. And we'll go ahead and just add it to that little corner of our petal pink. Super cute tag. Okay, then we have our burlap ribbon. We're going to grab this and wrap it around and just make a knot bow. And we can shimmy it too when we need to. Right now I have it kind of in the center. Grab it, hold it tight, and then pull it through. Cute. So I'm going to have mine just move it over just a little bit. I carefully pull. Maybe. There we go. Pull the knot. I think that's easier to help do it that way. And I just have it more to the left so it's not centered. Two things I want to do. I want to attach this guy, but I want him to also be kind of loose. So all I'm going to do is put a glue dot on the back of this. And then we're going to put a glue dot on the front of it as well. Let me grab them too. So here's my glue dot. I'm going to put it right below that dot, or that hole that's missing. And then for this one, I'm actually going to put the glue dot right over, sorry, make it back in the view, right over that hole. Okay. We'll see why in just a minute, as long as I can get it detached. There we go. It's kind of right over the hole. We're going to carefully not push it down yet. We're going to slide it in and then put where that knot is, where that glue dot is. So it looks like it's attached, but it's not. Okay, give that kind of a fake look. Still is movable because we have that glue dot there. If you're worried about it staying on there, you could totally add either another glue dot a little bit further down or even a dimensional help pop it up. All right, all we have to do now is just fill it. So we're going to unzip it from the inside, open up our treats, and pour those all in. This is a food safe bag, so it's like a lining in it. It's a little bit more plastic versus paper, so it could totally have some yummy food in here. And there you go. Super cute. Almost looks like a shaker card, right? Ooh, that's another idea. Use these Peekaboo to make a shaker card with. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Let me know which one you like better, that craft one or the basic white. And if you like using it with our mint on the top or our sweet sorbet. Happy stamping, everyone. Goodbye.